Hi everyone, on this video, I'm going to show you how to add more tracks on Davinci Resolve. So if you would like to add more tracks on Davinci Resolve, here's how you can do it. You see that I only have two video tracks and two audio tracks here in my timeline. So if I want to add another track or another audio track on my timeline, another audio track or another video track, this is how you do it. So first, I will add a video track. All I need to do is click on the side of the application and then click add track. And then you'll see that I already have the video track number 2 here. So if I want to add another track, I will just repeat the same procedure, right click and then add track. There you go. I already have the video track number 4. So for the audio track, it's actually the same way. You just need to right click on the side of the application and then you just need to uh, click add track and check if you want it in mono or the stereo or other mode of the uh, audio track. So I'm gonna select stereo for this one. And then I'll scroll down. And here, I already have the audio track number 3. So if I'm going to add another track, I'll just repeat the same procedure. Here I have audio track number 4. And that's how you add track on the Davinci Resolve. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.